Hello, welcome to Inspiredfingers.com. My name is Joshua Okusu, and just in case you're joining us for the first time, Inspiredfingers.com is all about teaching you the keyboard from that basic scratch to that level whereby you can tell anybody and say, you know what, I'm a keyboardist, okay? I can actually play for my church, I can play for my parents, I can play for my friends, I can play for whoever you want to impress, alright? Including your kids, okay, because parents will take this class as well. So just go to the website, Inspiredfingers.com, and register. We have over 200 students right now on the website, and most of them, they have their own various churches they play for, okay? So they are already on the field right now as we're speaking. Alright, so that's what Inspired Fingers will help you achieve. We have lessons over there, and they are being updated from time to time. So once you register on the website, it's actually free. It's free, okay? So once you register on the website, you'll be added to our WhatsApp group. Alright, and once added to the WhatsApp group, you have access to support features like asking questions and receiving answers and tips and hints and so on. You participate in our competitions as well, and get videos. You get updated anytime anything is being released, okay? Because we are on YouTube as well, so you can go to the YouTube channel right now. We have over 60 videos, and try to subscribe, okay, so that you get notified anytime we release a video like this, okay? Because it's actually a video with the content, okay? So let's go to the content of this video right now, because it's on the link yet. All right. Okay, so I had to remove the cardigan, okay, because I'm about getting hot right here, and it's very, very true, okay? What I'm about to show you, it's something that will blow your mind, okay? And this is actually inspired by one of our students, Victor by name. He asked me a question. He said, Joshua, what can I play behind someone talking? For instance, like giving or making an announcement in church, and you want to keep the place lively. Which kind of jam, a groovy jam, can I play, okay, to keep the place lively? All right, and I'm going to be doing this in the key of C, and I love the key of C because it's super simple for anyone to learn. It has no sharp, has no flat, okay? So you don't think about the black notes, just think about the white notes alone. All right, so the key of C, the C major scale goes like this. C is the 1, D is the 2, E is the 3, F is the 4, G is the 5, A is the 6, B is the 7, and back to the C, which is the 1. All right, so what can we play behind the scenes, okay, just to back up that person making that announcement, okay? So we can actually play a groove which is based on the 6, 2, all right, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6, again, 2, one more time, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6. All right, no, I don't want to say it yet. 6, yeah, 2, 7, 3, 6. So that's the basic way you're gonna be using your chords. 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6. Okay, modified. 2, all right, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6. Last time. 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6. All right, so that's just basically it, okay? So let me show you the chords. Let me show you the chords right away. Now, I said you do it based on the 6-2, and you play the 6-2 again, then finally 7, 3, 6. And for the first time, we actually did it in a very, very basic way, and I want you to learn it this way if you don't know it already. 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so you can learn it that way, and that's for the basic way. But what I want to show you today is how to change that same stuff again and play something like this. This is the A minor 9, and what I'm just doing in my right hand, rather, I'm actually playing the C major 7th chord over the 6, which is the A, and all coming together makes it the A minor 9th chord. And I'm going to use that same principle to build my 2 chord. Okay, I'm going to be playing the F major 7th chord and add the D over there, and it's going to make the D minor 9th chord, and that's our 2 chord. Okay, so we'll repeat this twice. Again. Then for the 7-3-6, what we're going to be doing is playing the A suspended 2nd chord on our right hand while playing the 7, which is the B. Okay, so we're actually playing the A suspended 2nd chord over the B on our left hand there. All right, then we go to the 3, so that's our 7, and goes to the 3. Our 3 is not going to be the normal E minor chord. Okay, I wanted to say E minor. Okay, our E minor 9 goes like this. That's gonna be off the scale. So we can do that sometimes though. Don't mind me, sometimes I joke with things a lot. Okay, so we're gonna be playing this as the 3rd chord, which is the E major chord, and what I'm doing on my right hand is actually the E major chord, first inversion, right? Okay, then I'm playing the E down there. Okay, just to join it together. Then for the 6th chord, I'm going to play this, and this is basically the 5th chord over the 6, which is the A there. So the 5th chord is the G major chord, as you know already. Then you play the A, all coming together. It's, you know, it's the G major chord over the A. All right, so let's do that again in context. So 6, 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6. Sorry. Okay, let me do that again so that you get the real thing. Okay, because I don't want to use this for the last one. You know, we want to create a kind of variety. We want to add a kind of variety to our chords. That's why we have to change the last 6 chord. Okay, so let's do it again. 6, sorry, pardon me. 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6. Yeah, I got it. All right, then you can use your pedals just to make sure. Okay, and arpeggiate. Because of the pedals now, you can actually arpeggiate the 5 which are playing over the 6. All right, that's it. So let's put the beat behind, and I'm going to shut down my microphone because it's kind of making a kind of lousy noise here, so that it will be much more clear for you to hear what I'm playing. All right, so you might not hear me for some couple of seconds or minutes, if I may say. Alright, sorry, I made a mistake at first before. Okay, that's a mistake I was always making on the 6. Okay, using this one instead of this one. Okay, don't mind me, but you can change everything. Okay, it's up to you if you want to go with the first 6 chord I was using, or you want to go with the other one. It depends. Okay, you are still right. Okay, because you're actually playing the 6 chord. Even though you play this, nobody will crucify you. Okay, so that's just basically all about the video. Okay, nothing much. Or do you want me to teach you something else? Okay, let me show you one more thing. And this is kind of passing chord. Okay, that you can use. Okay, after exhausting this, after exhausting the way it sounds interesting. Okay, you can do something I will show you right now. All right, so let's start the beats. Okay, you hear that? We don't want to force it. Okay, let's leave that one empty. Okay. Alright, so what did I do? Now, what I did was to go to the 6. I actually played the C major chord while playing the A flat. Okay, played the A flat there. Then before I went to the 6. Okay, but I prefer, after doing this kind of pass, I prefer doing this. Okay, but whichever one you want to do, you can do this. Then you can do that as well for the this thing. Now, one thing I'm always doing, or what I will say, is that the concept I'm using for the 6 is the same concept I'm using for the 2. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm playing the C chord second inversion of the C chord while playing this. That's the A flat here, then leads me to my 6. Okay, then play the F major chord second inversion here while playing this D flat here. It takes me to my D, which is my 2. Okay, so that's what I'm just doing. Okay, so it's super easy. Okay, so let's see how it sounds. Okay, I just wanted to make sure it starts well. You hear that? I always make mistake here. All right, so that